everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Today we are making avocado and lime dressing. This has got a really got kick in it with that lime or the lemon juice. Sorry, not the lime, the lemon juice. So if you want to learn how to make this avocado salad dressing with, I just threw in some salad like the romaine and the snow peas and some carrots and Granny Smith apples. If you want to learn how to do this, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and discuss all the ingredients. This salad, it's going to be super simple. I've got some snow peas here and I love these. I love eating these raw. Got some matchstick carrots. On the bottom, I have some romaine lettuce. And then I also have some green apples. And if you want, you could also do an English cucumber in there. I might throw that in, I'm not sure. But I did forget to put it in. I'm not sure if I have any. But for the dressing, I wanted to do a simple avocado dressing. And for that, we're gonna need, I'm doing half of the Granny Smith apple. Just the half I put in here and the other half I just cut it and put it in there. To that, I'm going to be adding just a little bit of yogurt. And you could do Greek yogurt if you like. I don't do it in my salads, the Greek yogurt, and that's because it gets super thick. So then we're gonna spoon our avocado right in here. And the one thing that I did forget is my lemon juice. So we're gonna do a lemon juice in there as well. So I'm gonna put that in there. And then I'm gonna put it here in my little magic bullet and we're gonna grind it. And then we'll have a dressing ready. And so let me finish grinding this and then I'll come back and tell you how this dressing tastes. All right, so I got it blended. I didn't think that you'd need to see how I blended it. And then I did put it in a bottle here. And if you ask me where I got the bottle from, it's I couldn't find anything like this in the stores. And so I decided to tell my husband to save me whenever he drinks like those kombucha drinks. I told him to save me the bottles, and I love those bottles because the peel comes out really easily. It's not gooey and it's really good. So at this time, what I'm going to do is I'm not mixing the salad with the dressing because we're not eating yet, and I don't want to get it over get it soggy. So I'm gonna have everyone just put as much as they want. And I'm gonna have Sakina try this, and she'll tell us what she thinks. Okay, she gives us a thumbs up, so that means that it's really good. Now, a couple things. If you wanted, you could use orange juice as your base, but right now I'm trying to really beat this diabetes that I have. I'm trying to kick it out of my system, which I know I won't be able to, but I'm trying to get away with having the added sugar in there or the simple carbs. So that's the reason I didn't add any orange juice or any honey. I could have added honey, but I wanted the sweetness from the apple to go in there, so it was completely all without the sugar or sweetener in it. So give this a try. It's a very good dressing. Even to make it home, this is going to last about a week. And if you want, if you feel like your dressing is too thick, you could add a little bit of oil in there. I didn't, but you could add a little bit of olive oil in there, or you could just add a little bit more water, or a little bit water in there to just kind of loosen it up. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. Folks, for all those that have subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. For all those that haven't, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell so that you can get a notification every time I upload a video. There's a lot more healthier videos coming. I'm doing a lot of air fryer videos. I'm also getting into the Instapot. So if you want to see all these videos, make sure that you're subscribed and make sure you hit that bell so that you get all the notifications. So thank you for hearing me out. I'll see you here next time with another great video.